It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be decorating for Christmas, and I'm very excited for this video. Every single year, this is like my favorite time to decorate. We cannot wait to get all of our Christmas decorations up, and we are just extra excited because this is the first Christmas in our house, so we just could not wait to get our Christmas tree up and everything else. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is definitely going to be multiple parts because I just couldn't get through everything in one video. But if you are looking for decorating ideas or some inspiration for Christmas decor, or if you just like watching decorating videos, especially Christmas decorating videos, this is a video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And with all that being said, let's get into the video.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on.
So y'all have seen me decorate with these deco mesh last year, and I really love using this deco mesh because it gives the tree so much texture and movement, and it's so easy to work. I mean, you hardly have to do anything for it to just look good. You really just have to throw it on the tree and it looks good no matter what. The messier the better with deco mesh, so it's some of my favorite stuff to use for Christmas trees.
Making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
And this is what the tree looks like. I absolutely love how the tree looks. I know my style is not everyone's, but I love the pinks and the whites and the gray that I added this year. I just thought it looked so good with that dark type of like charcoal gray with the white and the pink. It just looks so good. I'm so happy with how the tree turned out.
Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh.
So here's what this tree looks like. This is the only tree I was able to get to. I still have this tree. I did string up the lights on here, but I still have that tree over there by the entryway, this big tree. So this is the only one I was able to decorate tonight, just because it was taking me a little longer to kind of figure out how I wanted it, and Liam was also helping me out, so that kind of slowed me down a little bit. But I love how it looks. It's all glam and pink and white and bright. And I also wanted to do some of this dark gray this year. I just thought that looked really pretty with the pink and white. But I love how this pencil tree looks here. It just looks so pretty. And I have my mess over here. I still have this table to do. I have the big tree to do, but I was able to get some stuff done on this side. I got these new gray pillows at Marshall's, and then I got this pink one with these blingy little snowflakes. I thought it was so cute. Also at Marshall's. So I put all of those right there. And then the coffee table. This tree I had last year. I think this was from Marshall's, maybe Home Goods, I'm not sure. This gray little reindeer to kind of tie in that gray that I wanted to do. I got this at Hobby Lobby. These cute little gold trees and this white house that also lights up. That was all from Hobby Lobby, and this candle. So pretty simple coffee table. And then on this side, this side table, some trees, this white truck. I had most of this. I think the only new thing I got was this gold stenciled little tree that is again from Hobby Lobby. Everything else I already had, I think also from Hobby Lobby last year. And oh, this table back here. This was the only other thing that I was able to get to. I think I had most of this already. This tree here is from Hobby Lobby. This one is from Marshall's that I did just get. I love the pink and silver that it has. This snowflake I've had for a couple of years from Hobby Lobby. Oh, and this tree is also new from Hobby Lobby. This white tree, this silver tree, and these candle holders. And I do want to change out the candles. I don't like how the blue looks, but that's all the candles that I have right now. So I didn't want to mess with them or leave them empty. So I'm just going to leave them like that for now until I get some new candles. But yeah, this is what the house is looking like so far. I do think I'm going to move the big tree from here over to this corner and then just move that lamp maybe to this side or just out of the way for now, just because I don't like how it looks here. It just doesn't look like it fits. It kind of it pokes out of the wall too far, and I just don't like how it looks there. So I might go ahead and change that to that corner, but I'll get to that tomorrow or another day. There's really no rush. And like I said, I still have this tree to do. There's Lady, and then this table to do as well. Still gotta take off all of my pumpkins, but I love how this tree looks from here. It just looks so good. I'm loving all of the Christmas stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, so I know I look like a hot mess right now, but it's almost bedtime and I'm just going to end the video here, and then I'll just get to the rest of the decorating another day. Like I said, there's no rush. I'm just trying to take my time, and yeah, that's going to be all for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and just leave a comment down below if you are ready for Christmas or if you're going to wait until after Thanksgiving to decorate your tree. So that's all for today's video, and I'll see y'all next time.
Fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh,